CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear parking aid. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, navigation from telematics, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.